a story came that Sunil Pal said that he had been kidnapped on the way to a show in Meerut, and they had extorted money from him. And then Mushtaq Khan, the actor who's popular for Welcome and a bunch of other movies, he also said that he was called for an award show, and same exact thing happened to him, where they scammed him of money. Basically, what happened was that Mushtaq Khan was called to get a Puraskar, and he also said they took him in the car in from Delhi. फिर रास्ते में उन लोगों ने गाड़ी बदल दी क्योंकि उन्होंने बोला कि गाड़ी का पैसा यहीं तक दिया हुआ है एंड देन द मोर गाइस केप्ट कमिंग इनटू द कार एवरी स्टॉप दैट ही टुक मोर गाइस केप्ट कमिंग एंड देन इवेंचुअली
Also believable, by the way.
Yeah, also believable.
गाड़ी रोक दिया, अरे इधर तक ही भरा है. Then you call one guy, भाई इधर तक क्यों भरा है? And then someone tells you, अरे उधर तक ही था. There's one logistical problems are actually. You're like, fuck it, okay, cool.
More people coming in also. All the times that you reach, 3 more volunteers have come from the fest to escort you somewhere.
and everyone basically they suck up to you by saying बहुत बड़ा fan है आपका.
Yes.
बहुत बड़ा. Of course, मेरा fan तो हो गया. Then they gun on his head and then they took him to this place and whatever and they locked him up. And they're like 1 crore हमें cash चाहिए. He's like, what are you? How is this possible?
This is also a beautiful misunderstanding of the film industry.
Yeah. Entertainment in general.
1 crore
entertainment
cash चाहिए. Hilarious.
If you're in Welcome, you must have. You know,
Yeah.
like that's how much you got paid.
Yeah.
And then they negotiated down to 20 lakhs, I think. And then he said, मेरा एक दोस्त है यहाँ पर जो काफ़ी नज़दीक रहता है और वो लाएगा पैसा. And they said, कितना पैसा? And he said, I think 5-6 लाख तो हो जाएगा. And then they started beating each other up, saying 5-6 लाख से हमारा क्या होगा? And then the first guy is like, नहीं चलेगा. And the second guy like, बहुत कम है. And then they started fighting amongst each other.
Wow.
So Mushtaq Khan is watching all this and then they are validating it to him. They are saying, हमारे बीच में ये सब चलते रहता है. ऐसा मत समझो हम दोस्त नहीं है. Validating कर रहे हैं. It's crazy, dude, the story.
It's a movie playing out.
And then they're like, अच्छा आप सो जाओ. And then they said, इनके लिए तकिया लाओ. And then the guy got a तकिया. He's like, ये क्या तकिया लाए हो? Bollywood star है, बड़ा तकिया. All this Mushtaq Khan is saying, okay? So anyway, cut to, they
Just
all got
getting
drunk
friendly.
and they basically passed out. And Mushtaq Khan realized that they have not put some guy was told to
Latch,
put not a latch, he was supposed to put a lock. Nobody put a lock here and there. He went outside. He heard azan coming. So he's like, there's a masjid nearby. He thought he was in the middle of like nowhere. No. Turns out he's in a town. He went to the masjid, explained to the person that what is happening. And that's how he got rescued. I'm like, this is a crazy story.
That's
a
insane.
really
What
crazy
a
Yeah.
If he plays his cards right,
Yeah.
a new biopic.
a new biopic or at least a new Crime Patrol episode.
Starring Mushtaq Khan, where you can make back the money you lost in the scam.
Yeah. Welcome for goodbye.